Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 3 easy steps to track your macros for any fitness goal. Macros, protein, carbs, and fat are the primary nutrients the human body needs in large amounts. Counting macros is a popular way to monitor your intake, track your nutrition, and ensure you're getting the right amount for your health goals. Before counting macros, it's important to determine your daily calorie needs based on factors like age, body size, biological sex, activity level, and pregnancy/breastfeeding status. Suggested macro ratio goals for adults include protein, 10 to 35% of total calories. Carbs, 45 to 65% of total calories. Fat, 20 to 35% of total calories. Counting macros involves reading nutrition labels, using online tools/apps, and potentially using a food scale to track your daily intake. A registered dietitian nutritionist, RD/RDN, can provide individualized guidance for specific macro ratios to help with goals like weight loss or muscle building. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.